Hi everyone! Look how delicious this lemon pie looks. It is super easy to do, so stay to the end of this video to learn how to do it. So today we're making an easy and creamy lemon pie that's perfect for any occasion and only requires a few ingredients. For the mousse, we'll need 1 can of condensed milk, 1 can of heavy cream, and juice of 2 lemons. For the crust, we'll need 1.5 package of cookies and butter. So first of all, preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Then crush the cookies in a blender. Mix them with the butter until it creates a firm dough for modeling. Shape this dough on a board into a pie shape as shown in the video. Now put it in the oven for about 20 minutes or until it bakes. While you wait for the crust, put the heavy cream, the condensed milk, and the lemon juice in a bowl and mix well with the whisk. Now place it in the fridge for about 2 hours. When everything is ready, pour the mousse on the crust. If you want, you can also decorate it with lemon zest. Look at that pie. It's so simple to make, delicious, and turns out so good. If you like this recipe, like this video, subscribe, and let me know how your pie turned out in the comments. See you next time. Bye!